So equations of motion for a body thrown up or projected up. Consider a person is throwing a stone in the upward direction. So to go this stone in the upward direction, some initial velocity must be given to the stone. Otherwise, the stone doesn't go in the upward direction. Let initial velocity u is u meter per second, that is u is suppose 10 meter per second. As it moves up, its velocity goes on decreasing and becomes a zero at the maximum height. So this decrease of velocity due to gravity in the downward direction. As the body is moving up, but gravity acting on the stone is in the downward direction. That is why rate of change of velocity is in the decreasing order under the gravity. So acceleration due to gravity is minus g or negative. Time is taken t, and distance traveled, vertical distance traveled is taken as height h. So on reaching maximum height, final velocity is 0. So for every body thrown up or projected up, final velocity is a 0, initial velocity is u, acceleration due to gravity is minus z, time is t, s is h. Minus z means the body is moving up, but gravitational force is acting in the downward direction. Body is moving up, gravitational force is acting in the downward direction on the body. So that is why a is minus z. So rate of change of velocity is in the decreasing order. So now what are the equations? So we know that first equation of motion, v is equals to u plus at, and v is a 0, u is u, a means minus z, t means t. So this implies 0 is equals to u minus gt, then u is equals to gt. So this is the first equation of motion for a body projected up. Next, what is the second equation of motion? So we know that second equation of motion, s is equals to ut plus half at square. S means h, u means u, t means t, plus 1 by 2, a means minus z, and t means t. So s is equals to ut plus into minus minus half gt square. So s means h, so s means h. So this is here also h, here also h, because the vertical distance, so vertical distance, that is height, is taken as h. So h is equals to ut minus half gt square. And the third equation of motion, so what is the third equation of motion? So third equation of motion, we know that v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So this implies v means 0 here, 0 square means 0, 0 minus u square is equals to 2 into a means minus z, s means h. So this implies 0 minus u square means minus u square is equals to minus 2gh. So this will be cancelled. Then u square is equals to 2gh. So this is the third equation of motion. Or you can also write u is equals to square root of 2gh. And fourth equation of motion, for this we know that, so s nth is equals to u plus a n minus 1 by 2. So derivation of this equation and this equation and this equation for a body moving on the ground in a straight line. In the previous videos we explained. So in the playlist, you can see in the playlist kinematics or motion in a straight line. So you can see the derivation of this equation also in these videos. So s means h, nth is equals to u means u, a means minus z, n means here time, students, n minus 1 by 2. So it can be written as nth is equals to u minus z, n minus 1 by 2. So this is fourth equation. So these are the equations of motion for a freely falling body. You can see again from the top to bottom clearly. It is the first equation. It is the second equation, h is equals to ut minus half gt square. it is a third equation, and this is fourth equation. So that's all, students.